Fingers up.
Okay, you look phenomenal.
It's bittersweet. Bittersweet. I'm probably gonna cry all day.
Make friends with everyone here.
Yeah, all the friends.
I woke up and I get to graduate and walk the stage. Finally, I'm excited.
Today, Sacramento State confers 6,560 degrees. You prove that higher education isn't fading, it's evolving. That institutions like ours aren't relics, but they're engines. That a degree isn't just a credential, it's a declaration that you dared to believe in your own future.
Yeah.
I'm his first time to go to college and finish. How does it feel?
I'm very excited, very, very excited and proud.
I'm absolutely proud of her. She has worked her butt off to get here.
I am so proud of my baby. I made so many good friends.
Oh, Sac State is home. You know, Sacramento, born and raised.
I just feel like so accomplished and I'm so happy that it's done.
Best day ever. I love my son.
I did it, so it feels awesome. I'm glad I brought all my family here. They come from Texas, Seattle.
I feel like a weight has been lifted off my shoulder, and I'm just excited for the future.
So I want to do a lot of stuff with like traveling, teaching classes, teaching dance, teaching culture.
I have 4 kids, and the 4 of them graduate from Sac State.
Hey, all the hard work he's put in, he's earned it.
The sky's the limit. Yeah. Sky's the limit. I can do anything I want to now.
It's the end of the chapter, but the start of a new one. Yeah.